Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This video is a mix of clips taken here and there, shifting, shopping, visiting few places, eating out, parents living back, everything included. Hope you will like it. Keep watching. Let me begin with a few eat out spots that are our favorite and that we wanted to take parents to. One such is Kunafa Al Diafa, where we get amazing kunafa. Now I know there are so many personal choices for many because I used to get a lot of suggestions too on this, but this place is our all-time favorite for kunafa. Here we get the rolls with cheese and cream mix, and of course parents did enjoy having it. Not that they could finish it, but yes, they did have a few. Another place is which I had once shown recently. It's Ami's Cafe, and here we get authentic Malabar cuisine which is so satisfying to our taste buds. We always come here to have their muttappam pulichadu. It's very tasty, and also they had a new item that's pal kappa, which was again really good. Ever since parents came to Oman, we had been planning to visit Sultan Qaboos Mosque, the biggest mosque in Oman, but it got delayed. And finally, we could go a few days back before they were leaving. They were really happy to see this mosque and how beautifully it was built, especially the outdoor garden area. Mom was feeling very overwhelmed with joy by seeing the beautiful garden, lots of flowers. The last time when we visited, I think it was 2 months back, this area was not much bloomed with those pretty flowers, but now it is. Yes, we have shifted to a new apartment because we were looking for a bit more spacious flat and finally found one. Shifting for me wasn't a nightmare because it's always exciting to get into a new space. It was the same when we had shifted last year during this time, I guess. I love to arrange new space, love to do home decor in the new flat, but it's not the same now. Moving to a new flat or space was initiated by my husband because he felt the current flat was a bit congested. I really miss the flat we lived in Riyadh, which was a lovely flat with two big halls, spacious bedrooms, and a big enough kitchen. Being pregnant, thinking of shifting itself was hectic. We actually wanted to shift before my in-laws were coming, but unfortunately we couldn't find one. And when we found one, we were asked to move soon. We asked for a bit of an extension so that parents don't get hectic with the shifting. But they were happy because they wanted to stay with us in the new flat for at least a couple of days. So we thought to move anyway before they leave. We did take the service of movers to shift, but still we packed each one's dress in separate boxes and named it. This was of great help because each one could arrange their wardrobe that way rather than searching for what was in which box. It was a total mess after reaching the new apartment. The people were fixing the wardrobe and co. Only after that we could do the rest. For me at this time, it isn't easy to do tasks like how I used to. So my husband helped me in arranging my wardrobe. Even mom was sitting next to me to take out the clothes from the boxes. Parents had arranged most of the items. I was already tired from packing the previous day and the next day morning, so I felt I needed to slow down. Anyways, some arrangements have to be done by me, especially in the kitchen. It will take some time now. A bit of shopping before parents leave. We wanted to buy a sari for mom and a shirt for father so that they can wear it on the day they are leaving back. It's always emotional when your close ones are leaving back. 1 month went so quickly and they couldn't extend to. Mom wanted to stay for more, but father, as I mentioned in my previous video, he is an advocate and has got a lot of pending office works. So he had to get back there as soon as possible. they have safely landed in Kerala right now. Yes, kids miss them very badly, even we too. I couldn't take more videos from airport because of security reasons. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll see you soon with more videos from our new apartment. Stay tuned, take care, and bye-bye.